Hey there, health enthusiasts! Imagine unlocking a tiny treasure chest filled with magical seeds that can transform your health. Sounds amazing, right? Well, today, we're diving into the fascinating world of chia seeds. These little powerhouses are packed with incredible benefits that might surprise you. So grab a comfy seat and let's embark on this journey together to uncover the 10 secret benefits of chia seeds. 1. Nutrient powerhouse. Chia seeds might be tiny, but they are nutritional giants. Just 2 tablespoons provide you with a hefty dose of fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. Think of chia seeds as nature's multivitamin, giving you a powerful nutrient boost with every bite. 2. Heart health. Hero, these little seeds are brimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart-healthy benefits. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Adding chia seeds to your diet is like giving your heart a warm, comforting hug. 3. Weight loss. Ally, looking to shed a few pounds. Chia seeds can be your secret weapon. They expand in your stomach, forming a gel-like substance that helps you feel full for longer. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. 4. Digestive Dynamo. Chia seeds are loaded with fiber, which is essential for good digestion. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water, forming a gel that helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Say goodbye to constipation and hello to a happy, healthy gut. 5. Blood sugar. Stabilizer. Maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, especially for those with diabetes. Chia seeds can help regulate blood sugar by slowing down the digestion process, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. It's like having a personal blood sugar coach in your kitchen. 6. Bone strength booster. Strong bones are the foundation of a healthy body, and chia seeds are packed with bone-building nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. In fact, chia seeds contain more calcium than most dairy products, making them an excellent choice for those looking to strengthen their bones naturally. 7. Energy enhancer. Feeling sluggish? Chia seeds can give you a natural energy boost. The combination of protein, fiber, and healthy fats provides a steady release of energy, keeping you fueled throughout the day. It's like having a mini energy bar in seed form. 8. Skin saver. Want glowing, youthful skin? The antioxidants in chia seeds can help. They fight off free radicals, which can damage your skin cells and cause premature aging. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is like giving your skin a rejuvenating spa treatment from the inside out. 9. Brain booster. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. These healthy fats support cognitive function, improve memory, and enhance mood. Think of chia seeds as brain food, keeping your mind sharp and focused. 10. Versatile superfood. One of the best things about chia seeds is their versatility. You can sprinkle them on yogurt, blend them into smoothies, mix them into oatmeal, or even use them as an egg substitute in baking. The possibilities are endless, making it easy to incorporate these super seeds into your daily routine. There you have it, folks. The 10 secret benefits of chia seeds that can truly transform your health. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a multitude of benefits that are too good to ignore. So, next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bag of chia seeds and start reaping the rewards. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-boosting tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving.